Right now, I will be showing you how to sign up on the Bitstamp website. So listen carefully. Make sure you are on the bitstamp.net. Then click register. Then enter the details that will tell you. So enter your first name, last name, and your email. Then select a country. Then click I agree to Bitstamp's term of use and privacy policy. Then click I'm not a robot. Then you should have a green tick. Now click register. It will say registration complete. That's it for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Go to the Weird Coins website to find more information.